Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. It's Angela, the Traveling Crafter, and I'm here with a quick 5-minute craft, I think. And we're just gonna make these fun floating pockets. And here's one that I did, and this one I actually left open so it could be stuffed full and then just folded down and opened, but it certainly can be glued. And then I just used one of my paper clips that I made just recently, and then you can just stuff that bad boy full of goodies and then use it for something else for whoever is the recipient. It's a great way to send happy mail, and it just makes it look a little bit cuter, little cutie patooties. So this one I think I did Velcro on, and I felt like I had already done this video, but apparently I didn't. So if by some chance that I messed it up and I actually did, well, I'm sorry, but we're going to do this again. All right, so all you're going to need is piece of paper and some scissors, and that's about it. And these are just a couple of pages from various digitals that I did. I think we're going to stick with, maybe we'll do one. Yeah, let's do one the way that I just showed you, and then we'll do one. Trying to think which one I want to do. Let's do this one this way. So all you're going to do is place your piece of paper horizontally on your desk, and you're just going to fold it up however deep you want your pocket to be. All right? That's all there is to it. Then you're just going to fold in so that, and I don't want mine to fold over too far because I want more of a pocket, or, you know, a bit larger pocket so I can stuff more stuff in it. Now, I printed this on pretty heavy cardstock. This was actually, I think it was the Epson presentation or cardstock paper. I can't remember which. So we're just gonna kind of, but it's really heavy. All right, that's really all there is to it, except for we're just going to cut these two right here. I mean, how much easier you can get. Told you it'd be a 5-minute craft. Might be the first time that I will actually do a video that is under probably 10 minutes. Because even though there's many 5-minute crafts, it always takes me longer to explain it. You know what I mean? Hope you guys are all having a great day, a crafty day, doing something exciting and fun. Well, maybe not exciting, but maybe a little bit fun. I didn't say you need glue, but you do. So, sorry about that. All you're going to do now is just hope that your glue comes out. Come on now. A little better here. There we go. And you're going to glue these up here. And normally what I would do is just take a slice. I swear I did this video already. Maybe I did it in one of my Smash a Stack. I bet I did. So normally I do this because if you have it inside there, it makes it easier for these to fold, right? You don't really need to do that because this is going to be on the outside, but I did it anyway, so at least you could see, I could demonstrate what I was talking about, so I didn't confuse you. So I am excited. I will be returning from vacation in a couple of days, and we are going to get started on the Happy Planner. So a little bit different than just a traditional junk journal, more of a planner, art book, meditation and mindfulness. Did I not glue that? I did. It still needs more glue. Book, and I'm making it for Demi and giving it to her when she goes off to college in the fall. All right, and we want to probably round this too. I am not going to put Velcro or anything on it right now. I might do that when I'm going to use it and then decorate it. But that, my friends, is all there is to it. So let's do a long one so you can kind of see the difference. So now you're just going to do this vertically. Let's put this. And you're just going to fold it up where you want it. That looks like this paper is not quite straight on that edge for whatever reason. And then you're just going to fold it onto itself so that you have a little bit of overlap, just like the other one. So should you want to attach it some way, you can. You could always just, you know, stuff it full of goodies and just wrap a ribbon around it too. All right, then you're going to open it back up, cut the 2 lines. And I am going to just might as well just make a little triangle. Just an itty bitty one. There we go. And let's go ahead and bada bing, bada boom. Thank you, by the way, for to so many of you who have recently subscribed to the channel. I was really surprised that the channel is continuing to grow in my subscribership. Is that how you say it? I guess. And I really, really appreciate all of you joining in and all of your comments. They're awesome. And to those of you who have purchased from me or the fellow sellers on the Makers Market, there are lots of good things on there. And we are looking to always add more diversity in the arts and crafts arena. So if you know someone that does some kind of unique artistry, and it doesn't have to be unique. It could be crochet or woodworking or jewelry making, anything. Send them over because we would love to have more friends on there joining us. And also a huge thanks. Oh, see, I kind of messed this up. I knew I was cutting in that. And also a huge thanks to those of you, you know, you can get my digitals on the Makers Market. And I've just started loading them, so I don't have a ton of them on there yet. But I also have freebies on Ko-fi. And so I really just want to make sure I give you guys a shout out and let you know how much I appreciate when you're, you know, hitting that thanks button and leaving me a little something, even though it's a freebie. You know, what am I doing? I don't know. I really appreciate it. And I know that it really keeps me going. And I know you guys probably, you know, just think it's a little token, but it means a lot to me. And it helps me have the ability to keep doing what I'm doing and investing in my channel and in all of you and in the Makers Market. So it really does make a difference. So thank you very, very much. That's all there is to it, you guys. Super, super easy. Like I said, 5-minute craft. You can do this all day long. You can use your scraps. It doesn't really matter. But it's fast and it's fun. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. I would appreciate it. And join me next time. We will be doing some more fun crafts and maybe some travel vlogs coming back from vacation. So be on the lookout for those. Until next time, remember to take time to just be. We'll see you soon. Cheers.